Welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. This is Brian Bachland, and today I'll be walking you through the 2018 Sea Ray 290 SDX. Boat is 29 feet and powered by twin 250 Mercury Verado joystick piloting outboards. The joystick piloting system's not just to aid in docking, it's actually 3 systems in one, and includes skyhook to keep you stationary, whether you're getting dock lines or fenders together before entering a slip, and also has integrated autopilot. As you can see in the rear of the vessel, has a very nice sun lounge with a huge amount of storage underneath. Remote stereo controls as we enter the vessel, alongside the door for the cockpit. Another boarding step, wet area with sink, and as we pan around the cockpit, you'll see the very large amount of storage, integrated igloo cooler, and storage underneath all the seats. Both the passenger and captain's chair fold forward to offer rear-facing lounge seating as well. Moving up to the port side dash, is where our head is located, with sink. Very nicely well laid out dash area, 9-inch Simrad multifunction display. Again, the Mercury joystick piloting. We do have storage under the starboard side dash, and that's where the bow and cockpit tables are stored as well. We do have a very large folding bimini top to keep you out of the sun, and it does easily fold down for any height restrictions, pass under a low bridge, etc. And the bow area, very large, spacious seating. We do have a windlass up in the off the bow of the vessel that is electric, and again, integrated cooler storage under the seats. If you'd like to find out more about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. Again, my name is Brian Bachland, and I can be reached at 813-503-2649. You can go ahead and give us a call. Come on, look at the boat in person or schedule a demo. Thank you very much and have a good day.